go?
Yeah, we're going over that island, so we're going on the other side of that island, but only just on the other side. So just head basically straight towards there. You don't want to head straight towards that little gap between the two little islands. Just go down there, that's it.
Oh wow, that's good.
That's fantastic.
Put it on. Hold on. You guys hold on.
Hold on.
Go then.
Hi, little monkey.
Do you want me to film you? Yeah?
Kill your motor now. Turn the motor off. Bring it up. Sharks, yeah.
Yep. Oh, you right?
Oh, baby, is that right?
You okay?
Right, open up.